After the machine is connected to the power supply, turn this knob clockwise. Wait for the interface to display the power on status. Choose Chinese or English interface according to your needs. Turn on the power. Other buttons will not respond before the power turned on. The power turned on, other buttons will display the on status. Upper heat, lower heat. It corresponds to the two heating plates of the forming station. Since the packaging material is hard, only through the heating plate to soften it. To form at the mold station. Turn on the blow button. It works the same as blowing up a balloon. From the flat packaging material, blow the shape out by blowing. Heat seal means that the upper and lower film materials are sealed. The upper and lower film are sealed together. This yellow plate is the heating plate. The 8 seal corresponds to the heat seal station. That's the heat seal mold. This is traction. The traction corresponds to the clamp. Clamp the films. The servo is to pulls the films. It can be understood that traction is the clamping of the films. The servo moves the films forward. This is alignment. When there is a cursor on the film, the alignment system turned on. The text and logo, auto center alignment. When it hits the black mark, it becomes a red light. If it doesn't hit the black mark, it's green. This button is to adjust the sensitivity, because there is a difference between hitting the black and white. This is to open the filling system. The filling corresponds to this filling pump. The temperature here corresponds to the current temperature. This is the calculated quantity. Run once, count once. This is their set button. This servo frequency. 1100 refers to the speed and frequency of pulling film. Jog. Click once and move once. This is the motor button, which means to start running. The ZEV here is to set the temperature. After the temperature of PV reaches the temperature set by SV, the machine can run. Otherwise, the temperature is not enough. Affect the molding effect. This is the count switch button, and that corresponds to what's shown here in computation. This is the alignment switch button. This is the switch button of the machine protective cover. For example, this button is turned on. While the machine is running, open this door. It will alarm and shut down. Turn it off. If you open it, there will be no alarm and shutdown. This will not be sensed. The next page is about blowing. This is the angle of the encoder, 0 to 360 degree rotation. This is the Omron encoder. It connects to the main shaft. The shaft rotates once, which is 360 degrees. This angle corresponds to a 360 degree cycle. These angles no need to be changed, cause adjusted before shipment. The next page is the filling angle, corresponds to the angular range of the encoder. Try not to adjust. This clean switch means pump cleaning this separate job. When the machine is not running, the pump works alone, in a state of cleaning, the state of using air pressure to drain the remaining material. The next page is about service, an angle of servo start, and an angle to stop. No need to adjust now. For example, in the case of changing the mold, to change the servo length, Correspondingly, it depends on the cursor drawing of the cover film. Just adjust this parameter when changing the new mold.